ChatGPT is at capacity right now. So if you are also experiencing this issue while logging into your ChatGPT account, then in this video I will tell you how to fix ChatGPT is at capacity right now. So first of all, I will tell you that why why this errors appears. So basically this errors means that chat gpt is full of users at the moment. Like there is no more space for a new user to use the site. Okay, so there is just a simple fix for this, and it works every time it works. Okay, so if it doesn't matter actually if you are on the PC or if you are on your phone. Okay, so the fix is that you just have to refresh your page. Okay, just keep refreshing your page. Okay, as you can see here, we are experiencing exceptionally high demand. Please hang tight as we work on scaling our system. So this is just the easy fix. Like just if you see this error right here while trying to log into your chat gpt account, so you just have to reload it. Okay, just keep reloading it. It will sometimes it will take like 10 seconds, and sometimes it will take like 2 minutes. But the fix is this: you just have to keep reloading the page. Okay, so guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.